I zipped up my tent and took a deep breath, ready to embrace the solo camping trip ahead. The rain had been pouring all morning, but I was determined to make the most of it. I put on my rain gear and headed out, umbrella in hand. The campsite was peaceful, with only a few other hardy souls braving the weather. I set up camp, and the sound of raindrops on my tent was soothing. As night fell, I lit a fire and listened to the rain, feeling grateful for this moment of solitude. The rain created a peaceful ambience, and I felt at one with nature. It was a night I would never forget.
Please follow and share the video. Thank you so much.